na kaunti zingine zote zaidi.
Kaunti ya Uasin Gishu niyo yaisha ikuhe kuheana woni wayo wigie ripoti ya BBI kuria iregete kumitikira kana kumirega thutha wa MCA 27 kuyeheria hari uikia wa kura riri 19 maikitie kura ya kuregana nayo.
The County Assembly of Uasin Gishu will abstain from considering the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020.
No ikinya riri ria Uasin Gishu ritirarugamia mihango ya bunge gucirira BBI kuona kaunti 40 ni cia mihitukirie na riu kamiti cia watho cia bunge ya Senate na ya kifururi iranjiriria cikaro Jumatano ino gucirira BBI iri hamwe.
Then we can agree on the issues that need to be discussed by the joint sitting of Jailer Committee of the National Assembly and the Jailer Committee of the Senate.
Muthenya wa kana o kiumia giki niguo muingi utanyitwo gukaheana mawoni mao mbere ya kamiti ino i hamwe na kuma hau kamiti ino i hamwe ithie keheri-ini na bunge ciere ithie rutha kinyagia tariki 23 mweri uyu mbere ya macokete gucirira BBI yatemanio bunge-ini ni kamiti ici ciere.
So the people of Kenya must be given an opportunity to give their views before their elected representatives can pass a decision.
So that when we come back on 23rd of March, we will now start dealing with the BBI bill, which I'm hoping that it will be passed before end of this month.
The bulk of the work has been done because here in Parliament, what we are supposed to be doing is really, other than for purposes being a bit respectful, is really clerical work. Because this is a conveyor belt. The thing is headed to the president, down to the people when the question has been drafted. So we are now heading to voting for the BBI.
BBI ni maciaro ma ngeithi cia President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga, ngeithi iria irakũngũĩra mĩaka 3 atongoria amwe makĩraha baita ya ngeithi icio.
We have achieved a lot through the handshake. You can imagine the kind of peace that you've had since the two principals shook hands.
As a citizen of this country, as leaders of this country, we celebrate the handshake, that it had cooled the country.
Tuwasikize wale ambao ni wakurugenzi wa handshake. Na lazima pia ujue ya kwamba hata tunapofikiria mambo ya handshake, pia tunafikiria mambo ya vile kutakuwa baada ya handshake.
Nonao atongoria a mwahwa Linda Katiba magitongorio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Kenya Martha Karua maugite ngeithi ici ciari na kiguni kuri andu eritu na BBI ndiri na kiguni kuri a Kenya.
Kile kitu ambalo haina msingi wa kudumu lazima itatetemeka, na handshake inaonekana ni baina ya watu wawili, matakwa yao na sio matakwa ya Wakenya.
Tukauga tu implement gatiba yothe fully twarikia ku implement tucoke twicirio ria kana no tucenjie.
Itua ria bunge ritire na uhoti wa guthoga BBI na wona bunge icio ciakinyaniria matua macio, BBI igathie kuri president amekire kirore na kuma hau ithie kuri muingi ni undu wa kura ya mawoni. Mihango iria ibangiirwo gukarika gugikinyiria mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.
We are open